How to fix Facebook Lite app not opening. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the device storage. For that, you can launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can offload or delete the unused apps. Open the app, click on delete app or offload app. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type in the app name Facebook Lite and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to check is your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection. Next up, what you want to do is completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. For that, what you have to do is press and hold on the app, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then give a fresh restart to your device. Then head to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Facebook Lite and then install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.